Hello there. I'm going to show you how to play Get You the Moon. It's a very, very easy little guitar loop going on. It's just 3 chords, 3 very, very simple chords. You're only doing 2 notes per chord. It sounds like that. The very first chord is an A major. Right? And instead of playing the full chord like you normally would, like this, all you do is you play the root note and the third, which in this case is like it's just the third up an octave. Okay? So all you're doing there is you're going to use the A string and the B string. It's just those 2 strings, and I just use 2 fingers. I use my thumb and my middle finger. And I'm playing the open A and the 2nd fret of the B string. That's our A major. The 2nd chord is a C sharp minor, and I play it 4th fret on the A, 5th fret on the B. And then the 3rd chord is a B major, which is played 2nd fret of the A string, 4th fret of the B string. Okay, so there's many ways to play it. You can play, right, you can play it like that. It's just, you can figure out what notes they are, and then you can move them to, say, the low E string. So you could do this. So try to use your ear, and you can figure it out. Or you could just play the chords, because it's only 3 chords. You can play the A major. If you want to know the chords, actually, really quick, I can show you. If I'm just strumming, I could play open A, 2nd fret of the D, 2nd fret of the G, open B, open E, like that. The C sharp minor I could play like this, and that's 4th fret of the A, 2nd fret of the D, 4th fret of the G, open B, open E. And then the B chord, the B major, I could just play the root 5th octave, which is a power chord. 2nd fret of the A, 4th fret of the D, 4th fret of the G, open B, open E. So I could strum it. That way you can practice a little bit more rhythm, because that's probably the most important thing about music. You can play the right notes, but if you're playing out of time, it's like you're not really making music. Okay, so there you go. That's the very, very quick lesson on how to play this song.